Today we will talk about periodontal charting.
Probing depth measurements are recorded for 6 specific sites on each tooth. We use UNC 15 and 12 probing periodontal chart. Only one reading per site is recorded. The deepest site is taken.
So what is the periodontal technique?
It's walking technique. What is the probing depth? It is the distance between gingival margin and the sulcus or the pocket. What is the clinical attachment loss? It is the distance between the base of the pocket and fixed point of the crown, such as cemento-enamel junction. 3 possible relationships of the gingival margin to cemento-enamel junction are present for determining the clinical attachment loss.
Due to the attachment loss, the margin could fall to the level of the cemento-enamel junction. In this scenario, that pocket depth equals to the attachment loss.
First scenario. Probe depth is 6 mm. Gingival margin level is 0 mm gum line at cemento-enamel junction. So clinical attachment loss is 6 mm.
Due to the attachment loss, the gingival margin could fall below the cemento-enamel junction, and in this scenario, we add the amount of recession to the amount of the pocket depth to get the attachment loss.
Second scenario. Probing depth is 4 mm. Gingival margin level 2, below the cemento-enamel junction, millimeter, so add 4 and the 2 mm of the recession, and the clinical attachment level is 6 mm.
Due to the attachment loss, the base of the pocket could fall alone and the margin could stay above the CEJ, and in this scenario, we subtract amount of the enlargement from the pocket depth.
Third scenario. The probing depth is 9 mm. Gingival margin level is above cemento-enamel junction by 3 mm because of the enlargement, so subtract the probing depth from the gingival margin and the clinical attachment loss is 6 mm. So now you all should know how to do periodontal chart.